Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here is a tutorial to help kids write their first Python program using the Turtle module. Step 1. Install Python and idle. Before we start coding, make sure you have Python installed on your computer. You can download Python from the official website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Python comes with a built-in IDE called idle, which we will use for writing and running our code. Step 2. Import the Turtle module. Open idle and create a new Python file. To use the Turtle graphics, we need to import the Turtle module. Write the following line at the beginning of your Python file. Step 3. Create a turtle object. Next, we need to create a turtle object that will be used to draw on the screen. Add the following line after importing the Turtle module. Step 4. Write your first program. Now, let's write a simple program to make the turtle move and draw on the screen. Add the following code to your Python file. Step 5. Run your program. To see your program in action, save the file with a .py extension, example my_drawing.py, and run it by pressing F5 in the idle editor. You should see a square drawn on the screen by the turtle. Congratulations! You've just written your first Python program using the Turtle module. Feel free to experiment with different commands to create more complex drawings and animations. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask.